Hi friends, hi YouTube. I think you're a little tilted. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hi. If you're new here, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. This is the look I did yesterday and have put up. I'll have it linked. I don't know if I have figured out how to put it up here, but if not, it'll be in the description. But we're gonna look at the things that I thrifted on, God, what was it? Saturday? Question mark? Anyway, this weekend I thrifted some things. Mostly it was clothes. There's a couple knickknacks, some cute oddities. So let's get into this. Okay, so the first thing I got is this cute little sun candle holder. It is so cute. It is just so adorable. And if you saw my Amazon video, then you know that, like, obviously you can see it like right here on my tapestry. Like, I love the sun and moon. It's just, I love it so much. And I saw this and I was like, yep, you're coming home with me. It was the first thing that I saw and I was like, yep. And it's just so cute. I don't have any candles, but I just thought, you know, this will look cute. And my favorite thing, this is my favorite thing that I got. Oh, it fell. This is my favorite thing that I got. Okay. I absolutely love and adore this. My grandma saw it and she was like, oh, that's cute. So this is in a globe. It is a fairy garden. Look at it. And it lights up. The freaking gnome always falls over, but this is the inside. It's just so cute. Let me fix him. It's just so cute. Again, this is another thing that I saw and I was like, yo, you're coming home with me. So it came home with me. And I love it and adore it. I will show you in a clip where I put it and what it looks like in my room. Now onto the clothes. I'm gonna start with this sweater. I'm wearing it. I wore it in my last video. It's kind of just been my like staple the past couple days. It's comfy. It's cute. It's like this little crop top-ish type sweater. But I'm going out tonight, so I have to put some of this on. But I also got this cute little skirt. It looks like this. Totally adorable. I wish there was pockets, but you know, pickers can't be choosers. And then I got this cute little, I stole both of these things off the mannequin, by the way. I left that thing naked. But this cute little white v-neck shirt, again, I feel like I'm gonna wear this tonight. It's totally adorable. I am gonna put it on. We're gonna style some of these outfits just because I feel like they all go together, but I wanted to show you the pieces that I got before I did that. This is just a cute Sherpa sweater that I thought this would be nice to just land around the house if I gotta go to like the grocery store or something, you know, keep myself warm. Then I also got this cute almost ombre-ish sweater. It looks like this. Totally adorable. Again, I went with the tones other than the Sherpa thing. It's all the tones. I also stole this off a mannequin. It was totally cute. This sweater right here, just a nice, cute knitted sweater. This is from Shein. And then this is another sweater. This one's from, I think, the Walmart brand, but it looks like this. Again, keeping up with my more neutral tones. And oh, this is one of my favorite things that I got. This is like you see this? Like, this is just so cute. I love it. I love it so much. Again, this is just an adorable piece, and I'm gonna keep wearing it for right now. And then last but least, if you like know anything about me like right now, this is like what I've been into. It's totally cute. My mom was like, yep, that's you. It is this cute shirt right here, just a normal plain tee, and it says the sun will always rise. It's like a desert shirt. Again, totally adorable. So I felt like most of these pieces could go together. I mean, some of them, like this, probably wouldn't go with the skirt, but I thought, let me show you some of these outfits styled. I had to put a little bit of a light on to get this, but This is the flannelish, like, throw over on top of the cute crop, and I'm wearing jeans. I'm very appreciative of the jeans. This is the outfit. I feel like it's super cute. Again, you could take this off and it would still be very cute casual outfit. Okay, this is this sweater styled. Again, I'm just wearing jeans. I don't even know if it's in frame. It is what it is. I feel like this is totally cute, just totally fall. I would maybe tuck this in a little. I feel like that would look a tad bit better, just a tad bit more pulled together. So yeah, this is this. I feel like all these sweaters though could really work with these jeans. But then again, sweaters and jeans is just like a good fall staple any time of year type thing. So this is the next outfit. It is the skirt paired with this sweater. Let me see if I can actually get myself more in frame. Looks like this. Again, my camera work is absolutely horrible, but I feel like this would be just a cute pairing. I would tuck this in a little like this. I feel like it totally works, you know? I feel like a skirt is just so versatile. Like, I could make this work. I mean, the tones are a little bit off, but I feel like pairing a shirt with the skirt is just an amazing, stunning match. So I like this. Again, if the t-shirt was just like a different tone, I feel like it could work. But again, this, maybe pop a thing on over. And here is the skirt and the white shirt paired together. I feel like this is totally cute, totally bald, totally stylish. I feel like I look adorable. Again, I feel like you could take this sweater even and plop this on over. Very book girl, nerd, university girl chic, I guess. But I feel like this is totally cute, totally just, I feel like it's adorable. So this was something completely different than what I do on this channel, but I just thought I'd show you the things I got, show you how I would style them with my horrible style. But if you like this, please tell me. I'd be down to do it again. It'll fuel my shopping addiction. But again, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, or if you, whatever. But just a reminder to not be a piece of shit. Don't be racist, don't be transphobic, don't be homophobic, don't be just a piece of shit, okay? It is so much easier to be nicer and kinder than to just be a butthole. Spread good energy, spread good vibes, take care of yourself, and make sure that you're doing the good things with your time, with your money, with your energy, and don't pay attention to the buttholes and the assholes and the dickheads of the universe and the world, because you are so much better than that. You are so much better than them, and I wish you the absolute best, and I can't wait to see your face next time.